Here the wiper is not wiping. So here's the end of the wiper. Let's see, a knife and lift up this portion and that one, because you have to pass through that and that. So lift it up, put it under, meanwhile push it out a little bit, lift up that one, and it should come out. So it has to pass by this and that. Now you can pull out the rubber. Notice the rubber is coming out. Now insert the new rubber. More exactly, you have two metal elements here, and you have to insert it into this gap and into the lower one, that one. The metal has to be on the side because it can come out. So insert it and push it to the sides, and insert the rubber there and just slide it. So the rubber is between those two, this and that metal elements. Pull it in. This is moving. Push it back. Pull the rubber. Here in the center something was blocking it. And push it till the end. Now let's insert this. Notice the shape. There is a bug there, but it must enter, and it's done. So all you have to do is remove this plastic cap from the end of the wiper and insert the rubber between those two metal elements, and make sure this outer rubber will not fall off because this is moving. So the rubber is holding the two metal elements and this plastic is holding the two metals. Okay, now attach this one onto it and it's ready. Flat side down. So this way. Lift it up. Let's try to wipe it. Push it 2 times so that you see something on the dashboard. And it is wiping correctly. More spray. Nothing is left on the glass. The right one is not wiping that correctly as the left one. So the newer one works better. And that's it. That's the old rubber. Even the end is broken. I can lift it up. And this portion was broken. That's why it was not wiping correctly. By the way, the length of the old one is 74 centimeters, so it's quite long. There's 50, 60 and 70, 74.